Hummingbirds, with their vibrant colors and crucial ecological roles, are often featured on banknotes to symbolize national pride and environmental awareness. National Hummingbird Day in the United States, celebrated in early September, honors these remarkable birds. Many nations, especially in the tropics, depict hummingbirds on their currency to highlight their vivid colors and ecological significance, such as pollination. Keep watching to see all the stunning hummingbird banknotes from around the world. The purple-throated carib, a vibrant hummingbird, is found in the Lesser Antilles. It's a striking feature of the Netherlands Antilles note. The crested caracara, a falcon, is featured on the Aruba banknote. It's accompanied by a ruby topaz hummingbird, a small, brightly colored bird from South America and the Caribbean. The green-throated carib, a colorful hummingbird, is found in the Caribbean and parts of South America. It's featured on the Eastern Caribbean states note. The white-tailed saber-wing hummingbird is a large, brightly colored bird with a curved bill. It's found in Tobago and Venezuela. The volcano hummingbird, found near Costa Rica's volcanoes, is a tiny bird known for its fast, agile flight. It's featured on the Costa Rican note. The long-tailed hermit, a small hummingbird, is found in Suriname and nearby South American countries. It lives in forest undergrowth. The sapphire-spangled emerald is a small South American hummingbird. It's known for its vibrant colors, especially in males. There are 3 subspecies with slight color differences. The marvelous spatuletail, a rare hummingbird found only in Peru's Andean cloud forests, is featured on the Peruvian note. It's an endangered species. The giant hummingbirds, once considered a single species, are now divided into 2. They are the largest and second largest hummingbird species in the world and live in the high Andean regions of South America. The English banknote issued to honor Charles Darwin features a hummingbird. However, this depiction caused controversy as hummingbirds aren't mentioned in Darwin's On the Origin of Species.